Example 12. Find the value of n such that first subsection np5 equals 42 times np3. Okay, where n is greater than 4. So I have given this. So I need to find what my n is. Okay. So if I solve panna np5 n factorial divided by n minus r, which is n minus 5 factorial, equals 42 times n factorial divided by n minus 3 factorial. Okay. So I can write this as, okay, the n factorial and the n factorial gets cancelled. When I cross multiply, I'll have n minus 3 factorial equals 42 times n minus 5 factorial. Okay. So this I can simply write it as n minus 3 times n minus 4 times n minus 5 factorial. Correct? When you have n factorial, this can also be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 the whole factorial. Basically, when you have a number, you are subtracting it by 1. So minus 1, in the term minus 1, I get this. So basically, when I have n minus 3, when I do n minus 3 minus 1, I get this. When I get n minus 4 minus 1, I get this. Okay. So my LHS becomes this n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial equals 42 times n minus 5 factorial. For example, if you have 6 factorial, I'll do 6 into 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 2. So it will be 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Okay, that is what I did here. So n minus 3 can be written as n minus 3 minus 1 panna n minus 4 minus 1 panna n minus 5. Okay. So the n minus 5 and the n minus 5 factorial will get cancelled. This multiply panna n square minus 3n minus 4n plus 12 equals 42. So I have n square minus 7n plus 12 minus 42 equals 0. So this will be n square minus 7n minus 30 equals 0. So 30 minus 30 can be written as 10 times 3. I need a minus 7, so it is minus 10 times 3. So I have n square minus 10n plus 3n minus 30 equals 0. So splitting the middle term panna, I'll erase this. I have n into n minus 10 plus, I need an n minus 10 here, so it will be plus 3 equals 0. So I have n minus 10 times n plus 3 equals 0. So n minus 10 equals 0 now, n equals 10. N plus 3 0 now, I have n equals minus 3. But the value of n cannot be negative. So you have to take the value that is positive. So the value of n is 10. Okay. Second subsection, np4 divided by n minus 1 p4 equals 5 divided by 3, where n is greater than 4. Okay. So this is n factorial divided by n minus 4 the whole factorial. Cross multiply panna, I have a 3 here, equals 5 times n minus 1 p4 and n factorial divided by n minus r, which is n minus 1 minus 4 the whole factorial. Okay. So I have 3 times n factorial n into n minus 1 the whole factorial. I have n minus 1 here. So n can be written as n into n minus 1 the whole factorial divided by n minus 4 times minus 1 panna n minus 5 the whole factorial equals 5 times n minus 1 the whole factorial divided by n minus 1 minus 4, which will be n minus 5 the whole factorial. Okay. So n minus 1 and n minus 1 factorial will get cancelled. N minus 5 will get cancelled. So what am I left with? 3n divided by n minus 4 equals 5. So if I cross multiply panna, 3n equals 5n minus 5 4s are 20. Okay. So this panna 3n minus 5n equals minus 20, minus 2n equals minus 20, n equals 10. Okay. Example 13. Find r if 5 times 4pr equals 6 times 5pr minus 1. Okay. So 5 times 4pr and 4 factorial divided by 4 minus r the whole factorial equals 6 times இது என்னது 5 factorial divided by 5 minus r minus 1. So put a bracket. Okay. Whole factorial. So in that 5 times 4 factorial divided by 4 minus r the whole factorial equals I have 6 into 5 factorial எப்படி எழுதலாம் 5 into 4 factorial divided by 5 minus r plus 1 the whole factorial. இப்போ இங்க என்ன இருக்கு 5 into 4 factorial 5 into 4 factorial. Okay, they get cancelled. So what do I have here 1 divided by 4 minus r the whole factorial equals numerator 6 divided by 5 plus 1 6 minus r the whole factorial. இப்போ 6 minus r எப்படி எழுதலாம் I need 4 minus r. So 6 minus r minus 1 is 5 minus r. So I can write this as 6 minus r times minus 1 panna 5 minus r. Again if I do minus 1, I have 4 minus r the whole factorial. So in the bakka enna irukku 1 minus 4 1 by 4 minus r the whole factorial. So in the bakka 4 minus r 4 minus r will get cancelled. So what am I left with when I cross multiply? I have 6 minus r times 5 minus r equals 6. So when I multiply 30 minus 5r minus 6r plus r square minus 6 equals 0. Okay, so I have r square minus 11r 30 minus 6 is 24 plus 24 equals 0. 24 enna pannalam I need plus 24. So it is 8 3s are minus 8 minus 3 for minus 11. So I have r square minus 8r minus 3r plus 24 equals 0. Splitting the middle term. So r common adutha r minus 8. I need r minus 8 here. So I have minus 3 equals 0. r minus 3 r minus 8 equals 0. r equals 3 r equals 8. So I have two values for r which is 3 and 8. Okay. Example 14. Find the number of different 8-letter arrangements that can be made from the letters daughter D A U G H T E R. Write the spellings correctly. Edavadhu repetition irukka? There is no repetition. Okay. So how many elements do you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in total I have 8 elements. Okay. So how many different possibilities do you have using these 8 elements? I have 8 factorial. So my general permutation will be 8 factorial. Correct? Now my first subsection is all my vowels are placed together. So enna vowels? I have A, U and E. So A, U and E are my vowels. So I have to have them together. So what other letters do I have? D, G, H, T, R. I have to have my vowels together. So idu oru word na treat panna poren. So I have D, G, H, T, R, A, U, E. Okay, இது யூனியன் கிடையாது. Okay, please don't get confused. A, E, U னு எழுதுறேன். Okay, so I have A, E, U. I'm going to treat this as one letter. Now how many elements do I have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have 6 elements. Basically I want my vowels to be placed together. So அதை நான் ஒரு எலிமெண்டா எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Okay, but இதுக்குள்ளேயே the vowels can interchange their places in 3 factorial ways. Correct? So this is basically 6 factorial. D, H, D, G, H, T, R, A, I, O, U can be placed in 6 factorial ways. Correct? 6 element இருக்கு. So 6 factorial times A, E, U can be replaced in 3 factorial ways. Correct? I have 3 places. So I can either have A, E, U or I can have A, U, E or I can have E, U, A, E, A, U and so on. So I can arrange them in 3 factorial ways and these can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Correct? So when the vowels are placed together, I can arrange them in 6 factorial times 3 factorial. ஏனா இந்த 6ஐயும் arrange பண்ணனும், இந்த 3ஐயும் arrange பண்ணனும். Correct? So I have 6 factorial times 3 factorial which will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 times 3 into 2. So this will be 6 5s are 30 times 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 times 6. This will be 180 times 24, 4, 3, 2, 0. This is when vowels are placed together. If vowels are not placed together, it will be total minus vowels together. Correct? Total enna? 8 factorial. I have 8 factorial in general minus, what did I get when I placed them together? 4, 3, 2, 0. So this is vowels not placed together. Equals the total minus vowels that are placed together. So this is basically 8 factorial minus 6 factorial times 3 factorial. 8 factorial can be written as 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. This is one term. Minus 6 factorial times 3 factorial. 6 factorial common adha 8 into 7 minus 3 factorial, which is 3 into 2. So I'll have 6 factorial times 8 7s are 56 minus 3 2s are 6. What is my 6 factorial? 6 times 5, 4, 3, 2 times 56 minus 6 is 50. So I have 6 5s are 30, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So I have so many different ways of representing. Okay. So when I want my vowels together, other or letter, other or element, okay. So if this is one element, how many elements in total do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. So 6 factorial ways. Now A, E, U itself can be permuted in 3 factorial ways because I have 3 elements, 1, 2, 3 inside this. So 6 factorial times 3 factorial when the vowels are placed together. When vowels are not placed together, total permutation is 8 factorial. Total minus when vowels are placed together is vowels not placed together. Okay.